Hi folks, I'm Dr. Karen Beiser with Gardner Family Chiropractic, your chiropractors in Maine. And today I want to talk to you about the heart health benefits of eating nuts. Now, when you eat nuts as part of a healthy diet, recent research has shown that this can reduce the risk levels of heart disease by reducing triglyceride levels and cholesterol levels in the blood. And a recent research article in the Archives of Internal Medicine helped support this claim. Now what they did is they actually measured a specific amount of intake of nuts, and that was 2.4 ounces of nuts consumed daily. Now what kind of nuts can you eat? You can eat anything from almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and hazelnuts. They found that those types of nuts helped to reduce triglyceride levels in the blood and to reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels in the blood. And the reason this is important is because those two things have been linked to diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So what does 2.4 ounces look like? Well, in my hand I have a little bowl here, and this is 2.4 ounces of almonds. Now, why are nuts so important? Why are they so healthy? Well, they contain plant sterols and they can help reduce oxidative stress in the system. And they contain unsaturated fats, which are the good heart healthy fats that also help reduce those triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Also, nuts contain protein, they contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs. So remember, 2.4 ounces of nuts every day for your heart health. You can click on the link to the article to read more about it, or if you have any questions for us, the doctors at Gardner Family Chiropractic would be happy to answer those questions for you. You can check out our website at gardnerfamilychiropractic.com or call our office at 207-582-2222 and we'd be happy to help you out. I'm Dr. Karen Beiser with Gardner Family Chiropractic, and as always, stay healthy.